Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to my presentation today. I am glad to meet you all. Before starting our presentation today, let me introduce myself. I'm Gita Saira and I'm from Masum University. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this presentation, we are going to discuss about business analysis of Sava Farm water spinach hydroponic farming in Rancaikek, Bandung Regency. Background: hydroponic is one of the arts of growing plant without using soil media. There are several hydroponic methods which all have the same preparation, including the preparation of media, seed, and nutrient. Hydroponic can also be used as a business to generate large profit or income. This amount of income can be used to assess the success of farmer in managing their farm. In the end, the success in farming will be determined by the costs incurred and the revenue earned in one growing season. One place that has carried out hydroponic technique for commercial purpose is Sava Farm, which is located in Bandung Regency to plant hydroponic plant, namely water spinach Ipomea aquatica. The development of Sava Farm's hydroponic farming is expected to increase household income. Therefore, it is necessary to study the amount of income obtained from Sava Farm hydroponic farming. Purpose: describe the hydroponic cultivation technique of water spinach, calculating the income and profit of hydroponic water spinach farming, describe the marketing in hydroponic water spinach farming, describe the optical phase in the hydroponic water spinach business. Benefit for Sava Farm hydroponic business owner: it is hoped that it can be a useful info to increase income in doing business. For other research, it is hoped that this research can provide good benefits as material information about hydroponic farming income. For the government, it can provide info to the local government, especially related agencies, as a material for consideration to support and explore regional potential and determine policies to be carried out for the development of fostering of the agricultural sector based on hydroponic. Methodology: determinant of the location is the purpose. This research was conducted in Bandung Regency by selecting of the hydroponic vegetable business in Bandung as a case study based on the survey. The Sava Farm Abdi Negara Rancaikek housing business was chosen. Data collection method used in this study are thorough in-depth interview and field observation. Secondary data were obtained from agencies related to the object of research and the result of literal studies. To answer the second objective, using quantitative descriptive method, calculating the income and profit of the vegetable business at Sava Farm. Research site: company name Sava Farm, company address Bandung Regency, owner name Ahmad Fauji, type of business hydroponic garden, year establishment 2018, product water spinach. Mr. Fauji founded Sava Farm in Abdi Negara Housing. Mr. Fauji started a hydroponic business in 2018 with a capital 15 million Indonesian rupiah in 2018. Mr. Fauji was assisted by his wife to create and manage a hydroponic garden. Ownership status of capital is own capital since its inception. Technique of cultivating water spinach plants by hydroponic: early preparation. Before starting how to plant water spinach hydroponic, first prepare the media and spinach seeds first. The media need include tray, hexacorcles, sponge, plastic pot, water pipes, and nutrient for water spinach plants. Seedings: the way to sow these water spinach seed is by sprinkle the hexacorcle that has been placed and planted on the tray. Planting: the way to plant the next water spinach hydroponic is to move the water spinach seed in the planting medium, and after that, put the sponge with the water spinach in the pot. The pot that has become the growing medium for water spinach is then placed on the water pipe already contains AB mixed nutrients. To care for water spinach itself is quite easy. You only need to pay attention to the intensive of the growth of water spinach, and most important, kept the water spinach away from various pests and weeds. Harvesting: the plants are about 21 to 30 days after sowing. Harvesting is done by cutting or pulling of the roots. The marketing process for water spinach hydroponic plant in Bandung Regency is carried out through a zero-level channel or direct marketing channel. The main target is the need for vegetable in education institution and restaurant. Marketing is adjusted according to request to consumer. The selling price of water spinach for 1 kilogram is sold at 20,000 Indonesian rupiah kilogram. Transportation of the water spinach crop is carried out by motorcycle. AGM water spinach begins to be delivered receiving to consumer. Hydroponic water spinach farming constraint: the obstacle faced can arise from external factor as well as internal factor. External factor that become obstacle, especially in hydroponic farming, are weather and climate change. Another obstacle is in terms of marketing. The method of marketing used by the hydroponic system of water spinach farming is still not optimal. Farming the marketing according to the order, the elimination, which is factor causing the obstruction of the marketing process, is due to the level of production. We can conclude that based on the result and discussion, the following conclusions are drawn. The hydroponic cultivation technique of water spinach include initial preparation, seeding, planting, and harvesting. The income obtained from hydroponic water spinach farming 300,000 rupiah with a value of RRC 1.176. This means that hydroponic water spinach farming is not feasible to cultivate. Marketing carried out in the hydroponic water spinach business is carried out by direct marketing and product according to consumer demand. Constraints faced include weather and climate change as well as marketing. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.